So let me introduce to you my best friend. Introduce yourself, girl.
So, I'm Inag.
Ayaw wala.
So, I'm Marian. I'm from Philippines. Char.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye. Char.
So, for today's video.
O, sige na.
Dapat
Ikaw
pa yung muna
ikaw
thumbnail.
introduce.
Yung muna thumbnail.
Eh, no, for today's day. No, I know. But may nang yung lakagisang nabalan ko. Okay. This day. No, today.
For today's video na lang. Walang yung ba?
Okay, guys. For today's video, I'm thinking. Hindi.
We have a new challenge.
Yeah.
The challenge is asking question.
Question for your best friend.
Oh.
Again. Today, we have new challenge. Ihabala ka daya.
Isipon ko.
Okay. Let's start. Bang.
Ako una.
Ako ma-answer si mo.
Hindi, kita nga daw ma-question. Tapos,
Oo.
kita nga daw
Ako una si Bo tapos what do you hate the most?
Wow. I hate it when they make me as an option.
Oh,
Because I'm not an option.
because you're not option. Ning some people
Ay, mo rin ang netok show. Bigabunda.
really you experienced that? Oh my god, you're just a settings. Di ba settings may option?
Bluetooth.
Okay. What do I hate the most? I hate the most if someone I hate the most if someone really pressure me and expect me very high. Like they
Play hard.
yeah, when some people expect you talaga perfect. Some people, Marian, wait lang.
Baan ka na ako na mo hate? Ano ay?
When people
Kung
expect
imo, crush
me,
me.
no. Okay, what do you love the most?
I love myself.
What do you love? Like, what do you love
Ikaw
to
nga.
do? I love to...
Me, I love to sleep.
I love to film a video.
I love to sleep. I
Okay.
just want to sleep lang all day.
Wala na.
Pero nga,
Wait.
ang watang sumbuyak ka.
Wait lang. Wait lang, best friend. Question dapat yun. Wait lang, guys. Best friend. Questions.
So guys, padok ko tayo bags challenge.
Mapas abundant.
Questions you should ask your BFF. Who replies to text quicker? Questions for best friend. Who is overdramatic?
Namalig na lang kasi. Who is over dramatic? I think me.
1, 2, matututut na. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw eh?
I know it. I know to myself.
Ipaano na palapit.
Who is funnier?
And also you're funny too, but you're so girly.
Well, I'm so early. Ikaw mag-phone. I'm a girl, but I'm
Who
not
cries
girl.
more?
Who cries more? No!
Oh, ikaw?
No, you. We don't know.
Who eats more?
It's also her.
Look at my face. So
Who
chubby.
shops more? Who has temper issues?
Temper issues.
Questions for
Ariyo. If someone asks you what
Dapat
I
bala?
am to you,